Unable to rename a folder in Windows 11, how to force it? Restart the Windows Explorer process or install the latest update. Not being able to rename folders in Windows 11 can be a frustrating issue as it could hamper your ongoing task. It could be because of a bug in the installed Windows Update or Windows Explorer. You can also resolve the issue by disabling the Controlled Access Folder feature in Windows Security. Help us find out by answering a couple of quick questions. Why am I unable to rename a folder in Windows 11? There is a glitch in the current Windows Update. Chances are that there is a bug in the Windows Update installed on your PC that is causing the problem. Issues with the Windows Explorer. If the Windows Explorer or File Explorer itself is experiencing some issues, then it will misbehave and trigger errors such as not allowing you to rename folders. The folder is already in use. If you are using the folder or it is open in another window, then you won't be able to rename it. Your PC is infected with a virus. Often malware and viruses tend to restrict user input on a PC, which could be the reason you aren't able to rename the folder in Windows 11. You don't own the folder. If you are not the admin of the folder, then you won't be able to rename the folder. Controlled Folder Access feature is enabled. Controlled Folder Access feature lets you protect an important folder from anyone making changes to it. Chances are this feature is turned on and preventing you from making the changes. How can I fix unable to rename a folder in Windows 11 issue? Make sure that the folder that you wish to rename or modify isn't open in the background or another window. Simply close all the Windows Explorer processes and go to the folder, right-click on it and select Rename. You should also check and make sure that any file inside the folder isn't opened. 1. Disable Controlled Folder Access. 2. Take ownership of the folder. Locate the folder that you aren't able to rename. Right-click on it and select Properties. Switch to the Security tab. Click on Advanced. Click on Change for the Owner section. Select Yes in the prompt that appears. Type the username in the Enter the Object Name to Select box. Click Check Names. Select OK. Check the box for Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects. Click Apply and OK. Restart your PC. 3. Scan your PC for virus. Do note that the Windows Security Antivirus tool is limited in features and often it is found that it isn't as effective as dedicated antivirus software. 4. Check for Windows updates. 5. Restart the Windows Explorer process. 6. Run SFC scan. Open the Start menu by pressing the Win key. Type the command prompt and open it as an admin. Type the below command and press Enter. SFC scan now. Wait for the process to fix the missing or corrupt system files. Restart your PC and see if this resolves the problem of unable to rename a folder in Windows 11 issue or not. Restoro. You can use the SFC scan tool to fix missing or corrupt system files. Newsletter.